In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a CRM. ClickUp is a versatile tool that can be customized for various business needs, and leveraging it as a customer relationship management system can streamline your workflow significantly. To get started, you'll first need to log into ClickUp. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the ClickUp website. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and log in. If not, go ahead and set up an account. It's a pretty straightforward process. Once you're in, navigate to the List section within Project 1 under your workspace. This section will be your main hub for CRM activities, so familiarize yourself with the layout as it will help in managing your contacts and leads. Now, let's add a new CRM template to your workspace. Look for the plus icon, typically located at the bottom or side of the interface depending on your previous settings. Click on this icon to access additional options. After you've clicked the plus icon, proceed to select Templates from the drop-down menu. This selection offers a wide range of pre-designed templates that you can apply to your environment to save time and ensure consistent structure. In the search bar that appears, type CRM to find templates specifically crafted for customer relationship management. ClickUp provides a variety of CRM templates suited for different types of operations, and this search function will help you locate the one that fits your needs. Once you've identified a suitable CRM template, make sure to select it for your specific space. This ensures that the template is installed in the correct location within your project hierarchy. Now, navigate to Account Management in ClickUp. This section is crucial for tracking client information and ensuring that you're on top of your contact list. Explore the options available under Account Management to see which features may benefit your workflow. Next, it's time to apply the CRM template. Click on Use Template. You'll need to do this twice, as some templates may have subsections or additional configurations. Doing this helps ensure you have all the necessary components for a fully functioning CRM within ClickUp. Once the template is applied, head over to the Engagement section. Engaging with your clients proactively is vital, and this section aids in keeping track of communications and follow-ups. Move on to click on Predicted Revenue. This feature allows you to project future earnings based on the deals in your pipeline. Monitoring revenue predictions is helpful for making informed business decisions. Following that, click on Priority Accounts, a useful tool for identifying high-value clients that require special attention. Giving priority to these accounts can improve your business relationship and possibly increase sales. Lastly, visit the Company Details page. This segment gives you an overview of your client's important data, making it handy for quick reviews before meetings or updates. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up ClickUp as a CRM, ready to aid in managing your customers and growing your business efficiently.